Hello, I am Nigel Delos Santos here to present you a video lecture regarding odds and chances. In this video, we will be discussing the concepts of odds and chances in mathematics. Odds and chances are both used to describe the likelihood of an event occurring, but they are expressed in different ways. The objectives of this video is discussing part 1, the chances, part 2, what are odds, part 3, the differences between odds and chances. So, for part 1, chances. Chances are typically expressed as a probability which is a number between 0 and 1 that represents the likelihood of an event occurring. For example, if you toss a fair coin, the probability of getting heads is zero point 0.5. Similarly, the probability of rolling a 3 on a fair die is 1/6, since there is only one favorable outcome out of 6 possible outcomes. Same goes with probabilities. Probabilities can be expressed as fractions, decimals, or percentages. If an event is impossible, the probability is 0. If an event is certain to happen, the probability is 1. For example, the probability of a coin landing heads or tails is zero point 0.5 once again, because it is equally likely to land on either side. In contrast, the probability of getting a 7 when rolling a fair pair of dice is 1 sixth or 6 uh 1/6 or 6 over 36 chances. Part 2 is odds. So odds are a way of expressing the likelihood of an event occurring as a ratio of the number of favorable outcomes to the number of unfavorable outcomes. For example, if we flip a coin again, the odds of getting a heads are 1 to 1 or simply 1 because there is one favorable outcome which is heads and one unfavorable outcomes which is tails. To convert from odds to probability, we can use the following formula. Here, this is the given formula. Probability equals favorable outcomes, parentheses favorable outcomes plus unfavorable outcomes. For example, if you have a bag of 5 red marbles and 3 blue marbles, the odds of selecting a red marble are 5 to 3, or simply 5/3. To convert this to a probability, we use the formula given here to get a probability of 5/8 or 0.625. Next formula is we can convert a probability to odds using the following formula. Odds equals favorable outcomes over unfavorable outcomes. For example, if the probability of an event is zero point 0.3, the odds of that event is occurring are 3 to 7 or 3/7. So part 3, differences between odds and chances. While both odds and chances are used to describe the likelihood of an event occurring, there are some key differences between them. The most obvious differences is that odds are expressed as a ratio, while chances are expressed as a number between 0 and 1. Uh, that's basically the difference that they have. It's kind of tricky, but at the same time, it's easy to understand if you would just really get into it. So the conclusion of this video lecture is, in summary, odds and chances are important concepts in mathematics that are used to describe the likelihood of an event occurring. While they are related, odds are expressed as a ratio, while chances are expressed as a probability between 0 and 1. By understanding these concepts, we can make more informed decisions and better assess the risks and reward of different outcomes. That's it for this video lecture. Thank you for listening once again. I'm a student, Nigel Delos Santos, here to present to you odds and chances. Thank you.